Hey everyone, hope all of you are doing well. Deepa here. I know it's been a while, it's just that I've been away, and to all those new subscribers who've recently joined my channel, thank you so much. It means a lot, and trust me, every single number brings me immense joy. When I had posted the review for Claire's vitamin drop, a lot of people commented and wanted to know basically where they can get their hands on the product. I basically refer to Claire's Instagram page. They have mentioned a couple of retailers, but there's one site which was not mentioned, and a lot of you wanted to know whether it is legitimate and अगर वहाँ से आप Claire's के products खरीद सकते हैं कि नहीं. So I'm talking about macaron. I'm not sure if that's the correct pronunciation, but yeah. In my last video for Claire's vitamin drop, I also talked about how the vitamin drop will last me for a couple more months. So I almost emptied that bottle somewhere in mid of February, which basically means that I used it for approximately almost 16 months. So right before the bottle was going to get empty, I just started my search for the next bottle, and I was not sure whether to buy it from, because frankly it was out of stock on almost every known platform that we have. So it was very difficult for me to first identify where it is actually available, where it is in stock, and number two, if I can go ahead and put my money on those websites. So I thought, why not give Macaron a chance, because some of you also wanted to know whether it is safe to buy from there or not. So I placed the order for our favorite vitamin C product, and it was a prepaid order like most of our orders, since I think a lot of us do not keep a lot of cash with us. So unlike other sites, I did not get like an email or a notification right away, and I got really fidgety. I was a little scared because I did not want to lose like 1600 rupees. So then a little later they sent me an email which was not as appealing, or it was not very familiar to the other emails that we get once we place our orders from different websites. So I was still very nervous. I kept on waiting. So I had to wait for like a couple of days to receive my purchase. Like any other website, the entire process was slightly different from other well-established names in the market. Like, how you receive notification, Nykaa has even started to send notifications on your WhatsApp notifying you when your purchase is actually shipped, and you can track it from there. So that's not something which happened with Macaron. So the entire 5 to 7 days I was nervous the entire time, but when my search ended, it did not disappoint me, because I did receive an authentic product. I am not a well-established name in the market for you or anyone to think that this is like a paid promotion. No, it's not. So I took a look at the bottle. You can clearly see that they have procured the product from Limeys Connect, which is again like an authentic name. I have started using it, and this time, unlike the last time, I'm keeping it inside the actual packaging, and then I'm keeping it in a dark toiletry bag, so that this does not oxidize that soon. Yes, and it's genuine product. The only pros for now for Macaron would be that you can at least give it a try for at least once and see for yourself how your experience is going to be. For the cons, I would like to just mention that they could send maybe a little better emails to their customers who have placed the order. I understand that they are not as established as Nykaa, and probably they do not have that much funds with them to make those changes at this very stage. But all I'm saying is, see, I do not need like a ton of notifications to know if my product is in transit, whether it has been shipped or not. But when I'm placing the order, I do need an email that kind of calms me down that I am in safe hands, or my money is in safe hands, if you know what I'm saying. thank you so much for watching. So this is not a review. I just wanted to let you know how the experience with macaroon was. If you have any suggestions or if there is anything particular you'd like to see, feel free to leave in the comment section. Thank you so much for your time.